It's Oa and welcome back to my channel, and today we have another vlog. So today is the 28th of August if I'm not mistaken, but I wasn't supposed to vlog today. I finished a vlog yesterday night and I thought I would just give myself the weekend off because I have an exam to give back on Monday, but yeah, I have some explaining to do. But basically, my new bookshelf arrived for my room makeover, and of course I'm filming all of that process, but I won't be sharing like the reorganizing everything and stuff on that one because it doesn't really belong in that video. So I just thought I would vlog today and then film the whole process of reorganizing everything. I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what it looks like. So this is my bed and this is what we are working with. So this is everything that was on all of those, and the last one is too high for me with my wheelchair to get to, so I will need some help for that. But I also have my little helper here, so yeah. Yeah, so that's the state of my room right now. And yeah, basically today will be a long day. This morning I worked on my exam that it's basically a 10 to 15 page paper on a theme that we could choose from like 30 themes, and I chose the philosophy of time travel, which was a really bad idea. I mean, my thing is almost done. I basically just have to do the finish, like the conclusion, but yeah, it was a really bad idea because it gave me so many headaches to try to understand everything. But it's almost over, so I'm pretty happy about that. But yeah, today will be a really weird day.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do, and I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you.
Hi, it's super late, as you can probably tell. My camera ran out of battery, so I had to charge it before I could continue, and I'm trying, it's kind of hard, I'm trying to go to my bookcase because I had the great idea to start filming on the other side of the room, but I am now here. So this is where I'm at. So my dad helped me to put some of my wait a second, it's gonna be easier like this. Okay, some of my binders at the top. I also have 2 art things and recipe books. Those are almost all recipe books too. Those are my school books. It's all the books that I have to read for school. And before that, we first put binders here too, but I didn't have space to, wait, no, we put binders here, and this one was higher, and I did not have space to put any books here because only super small format were able to fit. Like those ones are super small and they fit, and it was the same thing, so I couldn't put anything. And then I had the same problem back there, and I had a few ones, but I was just, it's pointless, I can't see them really. And then I just have more binders. So we moved this shelf down, and now I can start all over again to put everything back in place. And on this side, I'm gonna try to show you guys, there's a whole hidden part, which we just started with those ones up there. And then I have all of those piles until here that will go on that side. So yeah, basically those are like my childhood books that I cannot, like, I'm too emotionally attached to them to get rid of, so I'm keeping them. I'm just putting them on the side so no one else can see them. But yeah, so I am just gonna take a lot of time and do all that.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up, just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up, just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Hi, it's actually the next day and I kind of given up yesterday recording and everything and just continuing with all of this, but right now it is 7 p.m. which means that the day is basically over now. I spent pretty much the entire day working on my assignment that will be part of my graduation requirement, and I finally finished. I just have a detail that I forgot that I will have to do next, and then I will be sending it. I'm so happy that it is done because it was so much stress for a month. We literally started this like in January or something, so really happy that I'm finally over with this. But because there's still some light, I'm gonna try and show you guys the completely finished bookshelf. So starting at the top, I have my plushies. Sorry if you don't really hear me. I have the camera super high because I'm super short compared to this. This one is actually taller than my old one. I would say that my old one could probably go back here, like a little in the middle there. So it's like a lot higher. So those are almost to the ceiling. And then that was already the case. Those two didn't really change since the last time I explained what I put. Just have a little less here. I added the new ones that I have for this year and put a few ones there so I have more space because I have more to come. And we switched this shelf to be lower than it was before, so I have space for all of this. So I have those are mangas. If you don't know what this is, I can't really explain. It's not even one that I've really read that much. And then what's special is that in the back it's so deep that I have full-on notebooks and sketchbooks and old diaries and all that. And this is one of my favorite fantasy collections. And then I just have really random books just right there. And then I have kind of my favorites here. So my mortal instrument. I also have my Did I mention I Love You complete edition. Like it's one book with the 3 books in and like the sequel. And then I just have romance and 2 that I don't even know how to classify because I haven't read them and I don't know what they're about. And then I have in this drawer I have to paint, like, and those are just random that I didn't know where to put. And in the second one I just have like, oh crap, it fell, my Polaroid camera. Those are just those three are just memories that I'm keeping. This is just an empty box, and those are sketchbooks. Next I have just those are school stuff and a book and all my binders for school. So that's all that is on this side. And now the secret place is here. I cannot really do anything about the lighting, but this is what is on the top shelf. So this is the first 10 of the collection, the ones that I actually have, but I want the next ones just to the purpose of finishing the collection, so I don't know. And then I just have my kids books. Sorry, it's in the way. Just have my kids book, the ones that I had in my childhood, and all the rainbow ones are one and only collection, but I don't even have it complete, so it's kind of annoying. And then I have my mangas, which I have not that much, but also kind of a lot, I don't know. And then I have just random books that didn't fit on the other side, so they're just here. Those are fairy tales, and I have those ones are the CDs, and at the bottom down here I have the books that goes with it, with the stories, and this is just more school stuff. But yeah, that's all that is in my bookshelf. Hi, I realized that I forgot to end this vlog, but if you liked it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and you can also check out all of my social media down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!